Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Happn login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the Happn app. First close the Happn app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. Then find the Happn app. Then swipe it up to close it. Now reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Open Safari and try loading any website. If it does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Happn and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the Happn app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Apps. Scroll down to see available updates. If Happn appears, tap Update. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press power button plus volume up button. Then select to power off. Wait over 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Happn and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Happn server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be Happn's servers. Open Safari and search Happn servers. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Happn login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.